All right, guys, this is assignment number 3, combine equations. All right, so this one you have to be a little bit careful with. This one it says, what is the result of subtracting the second equation from the first? So the reason you have to be careful is sometimes these ones say subtracting and sometimes they say adding. So you have to make sure that you're doing the right one. So in this case, it says subtracting, so I'm going to subtract. Right? That means I'm going to do negative x. Sorry, I'm going to do x minus a negative 8x. That's like 1x minus a negative 8x. Negative and negative becomes a positive, right? Negative and a negative becomes a positive. So this is really 1x plus 8x, which is 9x. So my answer is going to start with 9x. I'm going to keep going. The next part says negative 3y minus negative y. So negative 3y minus a negative y, or a negative 1y. So negative 3 minus a negative. And the same thing is going to happen here. That minus and negatives become a plus. I've got negative 3y plus 1, which would be negative 2y. All right, so I'm going to go in and type my next part. Negative or minus 2y. And then my last step is to subtract these guys. 6 minus 6. 6 minus 6, in this case, is just 0. So that should be an easy end, equals 0. Right, so it told me to subtract the second equation from the first, so I did x minus a negative 8x. I did negative 3y minus a negative y, and 6 minus 6, and that's what I got. So let me check if I got it right. Nailed it. I'm going to see if the next one is adding. Yeah, okay, so this next one is an adding example. So you're going to do the same thing you did in the last one, except this time you're going to add. Okay, it says adding this time. So I do negative 2x plus negative 2x. Negative 2x plus negative 2x, which is negative 4x. So I'm going to type negative 4x, hold on. Minus 4x. All right, then it says 7y plus negative 4y. 7y plus negative 4y, which is 3y. And you can use a calculator to answer this part if you want. It's not a big deal. Plus 3y equals, and our last piece, negative 5 plus 6. Right, that's doing negative 5 plus 6. And I get 1. So I'm going to type that in. Achoo. Negative 2x plus negative 2x is negative 4x. 7y plus negative 4y is 3y. Negative 5 plus 6 is 1. And that should be my final answer. And I got it right. I think you will too. Good luck on this one.